Are you someone who wants to be productive but you keep on procrastinating? Then this video is for you. Hey everyone, this is Shubhamoy, and in this video let's talk about being productive as a student. Now I am a college student and I know the pain of continuously procrastinating something. I return from college, I become tired, and in the end of the day I feel like shit, I wasted my day again doing nothing, and I start feeling guilty about it. And I know many of you face this same problem. So let's just talk about it in this video. And video शुरू करने से पहले if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, then channel को subscribe कर दो. And with that being said, let's get started with the video. Okay, so no rocket science. The most basic thing that can be done for being productive is to have a good sleep cycle. Now good sleep cycle का मतलब ये नहीं कि तुम्हें रोज सुबह 5 बजे उठना पड़ेगा. All I am saying is sleep for around 6 to 7 hours every single day during a particular time of the day. अगर तुम रोज 2 बजे सो जाते हो तो make sure that you do that for every single day. ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए कि तुम 4 दिन 2 बजे सो रहे हो, एक दिन 4 बजे सो रहे हो, एक दिन 3 बजे सो रहे हो. If you go to bed at 2 in the night, then make sure you do that for every single day. Practice this thing for around 2 weeks and you will feel the difference. So having a good sleep cycle is really important. Keep in mind कि sleep cycle का मतलब ये नहीं कि सुबह 5 बजे उठना पड़ेगा. If you go to bed at 2 in the night and if you wake up at 8 in the morning, so make sure that you are sleeping for 6 hours every single day for 2 to 3 weeks, because by that time it will become your habit and you will definitely feel the difference. You will be more productive if you have a good sleep cycle. Next, join a gym or allot yourself some time during the day in which you can just go out and run or do some exercises, because working out helps us to be consistent and our consistency helps us to build habits, and our productivity is directly influenced by the habits that we build and the habits that we have. Next is maintain a to-do list. Make sure you plan out your next day before you go to your bed. Take a pen, take a notebook and write all those important stuff that you need to get done tomorrow. अगर ऐसा करोगे तो you will have the awareness कि तुम्हें सुबह उठने के बाद क्या क्या करना पड़ेगा. You don't need to think कि मैं क्या करूँगा, अभी उठ गया हूँ तो क्या करूँगा, ऐसा नहीं सोचना पड़ेगा. You will have a pre-built structures inside your brain. You will be aware of the fact कि like मेरे को उठने के बाद ये करना है, उसके बाद ये करना है, उसके बाद ये करना है. So this will definitely help you to become more productive. There are many apps that you can use to make your to-do list, but there is no alternative for pen and paper, so I suggest you to use pen and paper because it will make you feel like doing something. So it has helped me to become more productive, and I'm sure it will also help you to become more productive as well. Maintain a balance between thinking and doing. What used to happen with me is I spend all the time thinking and then I had literally no time doing that particular thing. So take some time to think what you need to do and then start doing that particular thing as soon as possible. सारे टाइम सोचने में मत लगा दो. As soon as you know what you need to do, start working on that. मेरे साथ ये पहले होता था कि मैं सिर्फ सोचता था एंड करता कुछ नहीं था. सारा टाइम सोचने में चला जाता था एंड देन आई लिटरली हैड जीरो टाइम फॉर डूइंग दैट पर्टिकुलर थिंग. टाइम खत्म हो जाता था. सो ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए. मेंटेन अ बैलेंस बिटवीन what you are doing and what you are thinking. पहले सोच लो क्या करना है एंड देन वो काम स्टार्ट कर दो as soon as possible. बस इतना ही था, ज़्यादा कुछ नहीं था. Practice it for 2 to 3 weeks and then comments में वापस आके बताना कि how well it went. And these are the tried and tested methods. Like you will get multiple videos about how to be productive and all these stuff, and वहाँ पे लोग बोलेगा कि रात को जल्दी सो जाओ, सुबह जल्दी उठ जाओ, नहा लो, take cold showers, and internet is full of bullshit things. But the facts that I talked about right now are the tried and tested method. मैं ऐसा नहीं हूँ कि मैं 24 hours काम करता रहता हूँ, बट मैं पहले जो था उससे आई एम डूइंग वे बेटर बाय फॉलोइंग दिस पर्टिकुलर थिंग्स. आई एम वे मोर प्रोडक्टिव देन आई यूज्ड टू बी बिफोर. सो प्रैक्टिस दिस थिंग्स फॉर 2 to 3 weeks. ज़्यादा कुछ नहीं है. सो एक बार फिर से मैं समराइज कर देता हूँ पूरा वीडियो. First was have a good sleep cycle, plan out your next day, basically follow a to-do list, start working out and maintain a balance between thinking and doing. So this was all for this video. Make sure you like this video, and if you feel that this video can be helpful for your friends and family, then do share it with your friends and family. Subscribe to my channel and you can follow me in LinkedIn, Instagram, Twitter, wherever you want to. Links given in description box below. Till then, it's me Shubhamoy signing off.